Hey, welcome back. Last week I rehabbed 37 C-clamps. This week I'm going to build a shelf to hold them. This shelf is 36 inches long, which works out to about 91 centimeters. This shelf is a copy of a prototype shelf I built for my basement out of junk wood for C-clamps. I went and took the angle I used with this protractor and duplicated it for this much larger shelf for my garage. Here I'm laying out the holes that the clamp will slide through to be held in the rack. Each hole is slightly larger by about 1/4 inch or about 6 millimeters from the clamp to make it easy to slide in and out. In addition to that, I want the space between the two holes, the gap of wood that's being left, to be about 1/4 inch as well. The issue is that as the clamps go from large to medium to small, the distance from the front edge of the shelf back has to be decreased because the clamps get smaller in length and width. Also, because the clamps are smaller, the holes that they mount in can also be smaller and put closer together. Oh, you see my boo-boo there? I forgot to bring the holes closer to the edge because the clamps went to a smaller size. The drill press drills extremely straight holes, can put a lot of pressure on the drill bit, and most importantly, you can adjust the speed by changing the location of the belt on the pulleys. I don't think a lot of people are aware of this with drill presses, so I thought I'd just show a quick camera shot of me changing speeds. The drill press has a speed chart on what speeds you can set, and then the Forstner box also has speeds for the different size Forstner bits. Here I'm mocking up the spacing between the upper and lower shelf, trying to figure out what it should be. In this particular case, it was 14 inches or about 35 centimeters. you've ever tried to spray paint wood, you probably discovered that the color gets soaked up pretty fast. That's the whole point of primer. The primer prevents the colored spray paint from being soaked into the wood. So I just put a heavy coat of primer on and then huzzah, huzzah. So the total bar tab for this project was $0 because I had everything on hand. The total time it took to make it was about 2 hours in my shop in the morning after breakfast. Then I painted it during the afternoon, a couple of coats, and then I had it hung by 4 o'clock before my kids got off the school bus this day. I can do it one-handed. What's your excuse? Thanks for watching.